Today I'll be showing you how to prepare a no-bake lemon cheesecake, which is so easy and delicious. First, let me show you the ingredients that we need. We need digestive biscuits, we need vanilla, we need cream cheese. You can use mascarpone, you can use Philadelphia, you can use any brand of cream cheese that you like. We need lemon zest, we need lemon juice, icing sugar, veggie gel, or any gelatin that you like. We need double cream. I'm going to whip them. And also we need butter, melted butter, unsalted melted butter. So those are the ingredients. I'm going to list down in the description box all the ingredients with the measurements for this recipe. First step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour here the gelatin powder and mix it with the water and leave it aside for about 5 minutes. Little bit of water, like 2-3 tablespoons. Mix it and then leave it for about 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to leave those separate, and I'm going to start with the basic, with the bottom layer. Here I have the digestive biscuits, crumbled digestive biscuits. So I'm going to add on them like half a cup of unsalted butter. Here I have 400 grams of digestive biscuits. I used the food processor to make them like so, crumbled. Okay, so here we have baking tray. I'm going to pour the mixture here. Okay. Here we go. So now I'm going to put this tray in the fridge to prepare the filling. Okay guys, so now I'm going to start adding the cheese, cream cheese. I have 250 grams of cream cheese. I'm going to add on them the icing sugar and mix them. Just add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, I'm going to add the lemon zest here and the lemon juice. Okay, so leave those separate, and I'm going to whisk the whipped cream. That's the mixture that I want. So now what I'm going to do, here I have the gelatin. I'm going to heat it a little bit in the microwave. Few seconds. 10 seconds, and then 10 more seconds. That's it. See? So now we have this consistency. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix a little bit of the mixture with the gelatin separately and then add it. Then add it now. Mix them. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the mixture here. Okay guys, let's see. After that I'm going to put it in the fridge just to chill. See you. Okay guys, so this is after 2 hours. Now I'm going to open the tray carefully. Wiggle it. Oh wow. So here I have lemon flour. So I'm going to put it here in the middle. Okay, look at the lemon cheesecake. So now I'm going to take a piece to show you. Oh, yummy. Oh, yummy. Look at this piece. It's so delicious. Wow. Wow. So this is the cheesecake, lemon cheesecake, no bake. It's super easy and so yummy and tastes so delicious. So you can just prepare it at home. So I'm going to list down for you the ingredients with the measurements if you want to give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for your likes and for your comment, for your support as well. So love you all and stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Thanks for watching. Bye.